Welcome to Station 41, where the pieces start to come together, literally. Over 3,000 rivets are required to attach fuselage sections together. Of course, you will be using slightly different hardware when assembling your model aircraft. After we complete all quality checks at Stations 42 and 41, large overhead cranes move the fuselage to the next station, Station 40. Why do we use cranes? Our aircraft doesn't have wheels yet, and neither does yours. Follow the instructions in your SOI and be sure to complete your quality checks.